I remember back in my university days, I met a group of friends who were full of life and adventure. They dressed flashy, spoke confidently, and always seemed to know the latest trends. At first, I thought, finally, I've found my people. Slowly, I started spending more time with them than in fellowship. I stopped praying like I used to. I laughed at things I once considered sinful. Their advice seemed exciting, but deep down, I felt emptier each day. One night, after a party, I came back to my room broken and in tears. I realized I had become like Dinah, stepping out from the covering of my father's house to mingle with the daughters of the land. That night, I cried to God for mercy. It wasn't easy, but God restored me. He reminded me that I was set apart, not to blend in, but to stand out as His daughter. Friend, the wrong company can steal your joy, your peace, even your destiny. Just like Dinah, when you walk too far into the world, you risk losing what God has placed in your life. If this resonates with you, then you need to read Dangerous Play. This book reveals how subtle choices, like the company you keep, can shape or shatter your destiny. Don't let the daughters of the land deceive you. Choose the way of Zion and preserve your future. Get your copy of Dangerous Play today and take a stand for your destiny.